in this lesson, you will learn how to understand the scenario colors, execution colors, in order to implement your BDD projects. So let's go into the backlog module and take a look on our specification, BDD specification for the calculator. So you can see here I have a couple of scenarios. Better is if I go into the BDD scenarios. So these scenarios are represented as entities. And I can see here exactly what's going on. So I can see that the last scenario, it failed. So there are two options if it's failed. So either it is not yet implemented, the test case is written and test case is failing all the time based how you are doing BDD. It's more test centric or development centric. So if the test cases are failing and the feature does not exist yet, then it's red. Or there was a bug and that's the reason why it's red. So let's take a look what the issue here is. So we go to the scenario itself. And on the scenario, I can see here that there is a run which failed. And if I click on the run, the report is that there's an assertion error. We expected 4 as result, but received 40. So this looks like a bug. And here a bug is already registered to it. Yeah? So calculation, divide, automated test failed. So this has been already created. So in this case, the red means that this scenario is failing. Yeah? It has been automated, it has been implemented, but it's failing. The green ones, they are automated and the feature works. So this scenario is working for those automated specification. And then we have here one scenario which is not automated yet. And you see there's also no implementation. So not automated at all and not implemented. And you have a scenario which is yellow, means this is automated, yeah, but there is no automation script for it. Yeah? So it means that the feature file itself and the scenario for calculate currency is part of my development ecosystem, but the developer has not yet created the automated script for it. Yeah, so let me show you. If I go here into calculate, and you can see here the 4 scenarios are automated. This one is not. Yeah, so still we don't have the steps automated here, and that's exactly represented here, that the scenario is part of the development ecosystem, but it has not been automated yet. And this one has not been part of the development ecosystem. So it's not even in the IDE. The feature file is not yet updated. So this is need to be implemented. And as well, the developer need to make sure that this feature is developed as well. So these two features need to be developed. This one need to be automated, and this one is ready now for automation. We can see it based on the status here. Or if we would change the view, we can even see it here. So exactly also who is currently working on those different scenario, who is taking the ownership. So you can see it here. So if you have a larger or more complex feature file, this will exactly help you to identify the personas who are working on the different scenarios from the context of automating those scenarios in order to cover your BDD specification. So basically that's it, what possibilities Octane provide to accelerate the BDD implementation. And this is a living document, yeah? So it will not be obsolete just with one sprint or release has been completed. So this will always grow once a feature or BDD specification is fully automated. It will be part also of your regression suite, and it will continuously grow and not end just because this release has ended.